Hello guys, welcome back in this tutorial. Today I'm going to share with you the trick you always watching my faucetpay trick. Today is a tutor, and I go to my faucetpay, go to the multiple, go to these, okay, and I use tutor for right now. I have 32 cents of tutor, and I just put the rolling this much, and I put the amount of the rolling is 1.5 this much, okay, and increase a bit to 280, and that's great for me. And I just click start beating. This will be start automatically, and every day I can earn $5 to $10 from this trick. And you can use this trick too for you can earn much more cryptocurrency or much more USD dollar if you want to earn. And this is the base trick, but you didn't increase the amount, okay, you do not increase the amount. And every day, if you every day just playing these gambling, and you can participate in this top list of 10%. The last one, 3 1 get $10. The 7 and 6 number get 50. In 5 number 15 $15, $75, and the 3 number is 150, 3 $75 and $1,000 the first person get from this trick. And you can make much more amount from here. Every day you can make 1,000 with this trick. Use this trick to you can increase your amount, and you can easily make $1,000 from this trick. And you use the cryptocurrency is a lot of have a lot of much more price, like BTC, BNB, Dashcoin, Ethereum, Tether. That all cryptocurrency have a high price for right now. And you can use that cryptocurrency. I use all of this cryptocurrency for my own, but sometimes I can start gaming. I never win one of these person, but I love to win one time in my all life, okay. Because of that, lot of time I using this trick and share with you this trick, and this is one of the best trick, okay. Every trick have a own risk, but my clock is 11:44 right now, and 11:44 a.m. in Iran time. I don't know in other place how what's the time. And in this time the faucetpay pay me much more amount, much more time, winning time, okay. I win lot of time in this 11 clock, okay. And after that you can see a lot of time I win in here, and this is the base trick that I use for my own, for I share for all the people around the world. And thanks for watching guys. This faucetpay link available in description if you don't have faucetpay link. And if you want to start this trick, you can start it, and you can make much more amount of cryptocurrency. And bye bye for now.